What's up guys, my name's Alex, this is me, driving to work, not knowing what the hell today's video is going to be about, but you know what, we're going to get up, we're going to wake up early, we're going to go to work, and we're going to find a way to get this bread either way. So, welcome to the vlog.
Today's a pretty interesting day because it feels like Monday and Friday all at the same time since I was off yesterday for her birthday, but we're going to continue the day off on a great note. What we got, Lance? Bojangles, can't go wrong. Bow time. You literally, you cannot go wrong. Can't go wrong. So we're gonna keep it going. Might be getting some chicken wings for lunch too. Hell yeah. Yeah, I
Trash looks so good.
kind of forgot to film, yeah. But just take, well actually look, the leftovers. Ooh.
You had like 2 chicken wings. Not even leftovers.
They were good.
I'm sure most of you can tell where we're pulling up to right now by the title and the thumbnail, but yes, we just pulled into a parking spot at the Publix because we're doing a $20 Publix challenge today. Now this is, I love doing these challenge videos. This is something a little bit different. We haven't done any kind of like grocery store or anything challenge yet, but I've got an idea, so just stick with me, okay? Normally we do like lights, or I'm gonna try exhaust at some point. Drop some ideas below what kind of challenge videos you guys wanna see for mods on the truck. Today's video isn't necessarily a mod, but I'm sticking with the mod theme. So today is the $20 Publix truck mod challenge. What can we do for $20 to mod the truck? Now today, the idea is, I don't think they really have a lot of like accessory stuff in Publix, but the one thing they do have is cleaning supplies. And my seats are, they're bad. They are very bad to say the least. If you guys haven't seen my seats, stick with me. We're gonna get to that. I'm gonna run inside, see what we can find for 20 bucks or less, 10 bucks or less, something like that. Under 20 bucks to clean the seats with. I have an idea, so we're gonna run inside. I'm not gonna film a bunch inside just because, you know, that's kind of weird, and we haven't made it to that point yet of being able to just publicly film and still, you know, quarantine, you know, social distance. People are weird right now. So I'm gonna run inside, I'll bring the camera along and, you know, let you guys kind of see what I'm thinking, and then we'll make it back to the truck, and I'll see you guys when we get back at home so we can start trying to see if we can actually clean the seats for $20 or less at Publix. All right, I am super excited to try this out. Hold on, let me show you what I got. All right, here we go. So our $20 challenge consists of, we need an applicator for the soap. So I got this little wand thing with the sponge at the end. And we can put Dawn dish soap in there because Dawn dish soap, if it's good enough for a little baby duck with oil all over it, it's good enough for my truck. This is just to applicate it. You know, the soap goes in the bottom, you wet it, push it down, yada, yada, yada. And then to scrub it in, we got a Scrub Daddy. Look at that thing. Absolute stud. And then, just in case that didn't work, we're gonna try good old Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Now, all of this was Publix receipt. All of that was, I got $50 cash out, $10.36. So, under 20 bucks, you have your challenge. Let's see if it works. I'm excited. I have green apple soap. I'm pretty excited about that. Green apple Dawn dish soap. Pretty cool. So here's the plan. Move this out of the way. We got a little bit of trash in here, don't mind that. But so look how absolutely disgusting these seats are. To give you guys an idea of what the color's supposed to be, it's supposed to be that color there, that, and now it's that, and that is not good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the camera up right, we're gonna set the camera up right there. Great spot. And we got some Publix spring water that I'm using to wet the sponge with. We're gonna see if this works. Wet my sponge, and here we go. Now I'm doing a straight line just so we can get a really good comparison. I have been told don't use bleach or anything because it can actually like disintegrate the threads and stuff, which I'm not really worried about. The seats are trashed. I wonder how to get more of the soap out. Squeeze it down, maybe?
Look at that. Look at, y'all see the dirt in that water right there? I know y'all can't see that, but that's disgusting. Oh my goodness. Look, hold on. Y'all can't see the brownness in that drip right there. That's so terrible. All right, so we're gonna, you know, we're gonna skip that part, and I'm actually gonna do just a little drizzle right across there of Dawn dish soap. Nicely, y'all see my little drizzle on there? And we're gonna go straight to the, we're gonna skip the, look how dirty that is already. Y'all see that? How dirty that is? Y'all see what color it was and how dirty it is now on the bottom? That's how dirty my seats are. This is gonna turn into an Alex roasting session. That's what this is gonna turn into. Introducing the Scrub Daddy. Oh my goodness. Look. That's terrible. That's pretty bad. I can actually see some color starting to come back. Wow. Let's try and clean this up a little bit. Don't get me wrong, this rag is already a little dirty, but when you see how much just crap that it picks up, that's nice. I wish I had a vacuum. That'd be really good. All right, now we wait for that to dry. While we're waiting for that to dry, we're gonna try the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser as our backup plan compared to the Scrub Daddy and Dawn dish soap. These are the Mr. Clean 4 times as strong. So we're gonna see if they really are. Yeah, look, they got the little waves in them. That's pretty cool. I'll wet that guy up a little bit. Wet that guy up a little bit. We're gonna go on the armrest this time. On the, just one little. Quick little tip for you guys. These are actually really good to use on your middle console and on your dash. These get all the nasty just grime and shit off of the buttons and stuff like that. So quick tip for you guys. That's kind of breaking apart. I don't know if I like that. I don't think the Mr. Cleans are very good for deep scrubbing. Oh, nope. Yeah, I just spilled the water everywhere. It's all right, it's just water. Now we wait for it to dry. You'll see how brown that water is. Sheesh. Quick story for you guys. I took an apple to work this morning and I lost the apple, and on the way back from getting a smoothie, because we stopped at Smoothie King, my first time ever at Smoothie King. It's pretty good. I don't know if I'd say it's better than tropical smoothie. Anyway, my first time well, back to the original story. I lost the apple, and on the way back from Smoothie King, it rolls and hits Christina on the ankle in the floor of my truck. I was wondering where that went. I don't know how it got there, but hey, at least we found the apple and I got a smoothie. But now it's time to check out and see how the seats turned out. I'm pretty sure it's dry because I put a towel down and I've been sitting on it, so I'm pretty sure it's dry at this point. First reaction, wow. Can y'all see that? Look how, I mean, obviously it's not perfect. It's not back to that, but I mean, it's close. That looks so much better than it did. Now let's be completely honest. Are we gonna be able to scrub the entire thing like that? Probably not, because that's gonna take a lot of time. I would much rather pay the money and have, you know, Tavis from Ice Mobile Detailing, or, you know,
Chris from Nifty Nickels come and just, you know, really clean these seats in here quickly, efficiently, and I know they do a great job. This is something you guys can do at home, less than $20 at Publix if you would like to clean your seats. And I might this weekend really spend some time and clean the hell out of these seats and clean the carpets a little bit, because this actually turned out pretty freaking good. Like I'm happy with that. That strip right there, I'm happy with that. The Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, I don't know what the fuck he was doing, probably just rubbing his bald head on there. But the Scrub Daddy and the Dawn dish soap, definitely where it's at. Right now we are 2 for 2, so that's the rock lights and the $20 Publix challenge. 2 for 2 on successful challenges. These two have definitely, some of my past ones may not have been the best, but I think 2 for 2 right now, we're on a hot streak. So if you guys want to see more of these videos, make sure you guys drop a comment and let me know what kind of content you want to see, what kind of challenge videos, where we should go, Goodwill, Publix, Walmart, Target, any place, anywhere. You give me a spot in the comments, I will respond back and I will pick the next challenge video from the comments right here. So hit that subscribe button, comment below. I'll see you guys next time. You guys are the best. I love you. As always, let's get this bread.